fun, guys?
No.
First, no. Alright. Can we take one more? 1, 2, 3. Show me your picture. Thank you. Taking the pictures for the Seoul Pub Crawl.
Oh, cool, yeah.
So, what about like a little picture of you guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you. Another you too. I didn't expect you to do that, but
Yeah. I keep doing that. Oh my god, can I please have this? That's so cool.
cheers. Cheers.
Oh shit.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Looking great.
Yeah, I like Morris.
Good, you? Hey, did I take your picture yet? Not yet. Oh no. One more. Oh, one more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. I said it before.
Yeah, I organized it.
Oh, I see. Hey, thanks for coming again. 1, 2, 3. All right, one more. Time to go. So today it looks like a big group.
Yeah, I mean, 70 people, what is it? I mean,
70.
nobody.
70, not
Nobody
bad,
came
not bad,
really, only
not
70
bad.
people.
Tu vas vers Waikiki, tu continues.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Alright. Thanks. What's that camera? Alright, not bad.
What does your one come out like?
Well,
I might.
it's different.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's really good. It's different. Thank you. That's a long line, but it's getting quick. Having fun, guys? No. We have to do something about it.
Gotta drink some more alcohol.
Drink. This is the answer. Are we ready to be a little bit more tipsy?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Are we ready to party?
Here we are.
Let's go. It looks pretty dark in here. You're really a pub crawl aficionado.
Chop on and make a turn to a sprinter. Bitches on my dick, so I'm giving 1 minute.
Seoul Pub Crawl!